well, it turns out. Even more funnier. Okay, let me see. Oh shit, I can create a lobby myself? Oh fuck. Family victims? I don't mind, what? I want victims.
Been captured by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs.
Oh fuck.
Find your friends, hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health. But more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. The family is hunting, so move quietly and make the right decisions. Your life depends on it.
Oh,
Stay
fuck.
quiet and hidden. Move slowly and carefully to avoid making excessive noise. Use shadows and tall foliage to stay hidden. Take cover behind tall objects to break line of sight. And last but not least, use the environment to your advantage. Wall gaps, crawl spaces, and unique hiding spots like freezers, armoires, and even vehicle trunks can be used to evade the family. Use them. Watch out for objects that make noise. Moving too fast through the environment can spell disaster. Searching for items slowly will drastically increase your chance of survival.
Oh.
Even moving too fast through doors can give away your location. So stay calm and move quietly. The family is always listening. Find useful items. Tools can be used to break locks on doors. Health items can heal you.
Okay. I'm gonna laugh so hard if I fail right now. Because most horror games, it's just like that. I mean, it's Spooktober, so yay! Spooky, scary skeleton. Spooky, scary skeleton, the show is mine. Da 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 da, disrupt your souls. Da 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 da. Spooky, scary. Ah! Am I really? No! Okay. Am I really the killer? Already? Okay?
You died already?
No! I am the killer!
Oh, nice. Which one?
The Leatherface.
Yo.
I really don't know, so I really don't know how it goes, like, for me, like, being the killer. I think I'm gonna mess myself up, I think. Wait, can I even change my character? Holy shit, I can. Okay. Okay, now I'm ready. Wait, what? Leatherface, required to start? Hello? Hello?
Oh yeah, you have to wait, your match is loading. Yeah, so basically for this game, you don't need all the killers. What you need for the game to start is all the survivors and at least Leatherface.
You've gotta be kidding me. Must I really be? Oh, okay.
Like, you can do any survivor, you can do all the survivors and you can pick any killer you want, but you have to have at least Leatherface. Someone needs to be Leatherface for any match to join.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's really a
Any
big
match to start,
yes.
Leatherface has to be there.
Okay, I'm gonna see what the killer has to do. Like, I really don't know. Wait,
Oh, there's a
is this really
tutorial. There's a
surprise?
tutorial in the there's a tutorial in the menu.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh,
I didn't extra watch it because I want to surprise it. Like, imagine like that. This fucking here, Diamond will be the killer. Secure the property. Feed grandpa's blood. Hunt and collect blood from victims. Execute victims. Holy shit! Must I really do this? Okay. Okay, good morning. Yeah, I'm this fucker.
Oh, wait, which killer are you?
Okay, how the fuck does it work?
Wait, which killer are you?
I'm the female. I've got
Oh
champions.
shit, okay. So you actually are able to spread poisonous gas everywhere.
Oh god.
You're also you're also your character is extremely drug addicted too.
I was just.
Drug addicted?
Oh, potion.
Awesome.
Okay. Okay, so I can do things like at a potion. Okay,
Weed.
that's good to know. Oh, enter. Oh shit, I can enter shit. Holy shit. Okay, collect powder. What the fuck does that mean? I really don't know what I'm doing right now. Hello? And then, okay. Okay, so this the button to okay, it's my first time playing, so. Oh, blood. Okay. Okay, so where is Grandpa? Oh wait, potion. Okay, let's go. Poison it. Woo! Holy shit! I got scared at the moment. Oh. Oh, more blood? Can I collect more blood? Oh shit, I
When
can.
you see the children, X's on their head. If you dare to look at them,
Woman!
will be dead.
Oh my god. Dear woman! Are you even okay? Oh wait. What's this? Poison? Can I also poison this? What the fuck? I really don't know what I'm doing. Can someone explain? Can someone explain to me right now? Wait. Oh, that's a truck I hear. Okay. So, I thought I heard something. Oh, unlock? Holy shit, can I? Oh my god. Okay, close? Can I close it? Close the door! Woman! Close the door, thank you. Okay, oh. Oh, is Grandpa inside? Oh, wait. Hello, children! Children, hello! I'm gonna. Excuse me? Oh, that's hurtful. Okay, where is Grandpa? Excuse me? Who dares want to hunt me down? I want your blood. That's what I want. Bitch. Die. Ow! Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, is that how it works? Let me see. Where's Grandpa? Does anyone knows where Grandpa is?
Oh, love, my love, look at your love.
I really don't know where I'm going. Can I be honest?
My love, look at your love.
Shut up, woman! Is it through here? Okay. Oh. Oh, is this how it works? Oh, shit. I want blood. Yeah, I know. He's in danger, but still. Fuck. Didn't they? I know he's in danger, but okay. I played this game for the first time, so I really don't know where Grandpa is. Oh, wait. Yoo-hoo! I know Grandpa is in danger, I know. Hello? Grandpa? Where are you? Oh wait.
Just a touch. And there.
Hello? Oh, you bitch! Okay. That one's inside, that's for sure. Okay, hello, Grandpa? Where are you? Don't worry, it's just me, the killer. Let me search. No one? Oh wait. I think... Okay. Did that do anything? Okay. I guess not. But okay. Okay, crawl under. I really don't know where the fuck is Grandpa? Grandpa! Sweet child! Needs powder? Fuck. Oh, I can collect things. Oh! More of the powder? Oh. Oh, I did hear something. Yoo-hoo! Basement exit opened? Open the door. Oh, I heard water. It's not going to be good for me. I think I failed as a killer. I do. I do. Hello? Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm not a survivor. Hello? I need to find Grandpa. That's all what I need. Is it too much to ask? The only one I need is a Grandpa. That's all. Where's Grandpa? Wait? Huh? I really don't know what's going on, but okay. Hunt down the final victim? But where is that bitch?
All is one, all is none, all is none.
Children, I'm gonna hide you. Okay, is there any map? Oh, wait. Oh, it's the other killer. I have bad feelings, you know? I'm just new to this game, so I really don't know what's going on. Search? No, nothing. Fuck. I have a feeling that I'm running around. I really don't
Where
know.
the mountains reach like fingers to the sky. Never ask
Woman, shut the fuck up!
Woman.
Woman! Psychopath, what I am for a woman! I have a feeling that I'm... Yeah, I'm running into circles. Then I really don't know. Oh, disconnected. Okay. Okay, then the final. Did someone find it? Find it? I really have a feeling that I'm really, as in really, running into circles. Oh. Can I not run faster? Unfortunately. Oh. I see now. Yoo-hoo. I'm gonna kill you. Where you stand? So where are you? There are you. Bye. Oh no. Oh no, are you playing dirty? Dirty woman? Is a bastard inside the house? don't fuck with me. Oh god, my heart is literally beating. Hello. Nothing. Okay. I did find her, but I really don't know. Hello. Shut up, chicken. Oh. Climb? Can I climb? Climb! That's all I want! Tool storage? Okay. Oh, this is actually a new one. What I see. Oh, more blood. Okay. Collecting blood. Thank you for the blood. Where's Grandpa? Grandpa! A letter face? Fuck. Shit faces. Oh, the bastard is up?
Baby's gonna disappear from the mama's arms. There's gonna
Oh.
be a long
Lady,
year.
stop singing!
We'll be on the run.
Oh, now I'm right on track. I really don't know where I'm going. Is there a ladder? I can go up. But Grandpa. Grandpa! Your honey is at home! There we go. Grandpa! I am here! Your dear granddaughter is here, I think. I really don't know. Is she the granddaughter? Hello! Hey, Grandpa! I'm giving you blood. I'm gonna feed you now. Come on, please.
Oh, that's good, ain't it? There, it's all right, Grandpa.
Hey there! Okay. Hee-hee! Is Leatherface still doing shit? Huh. Well, really, huh? That's disappointing. Is hungry again? Come on! Come on, man! So, where the fuck do I need to find some blood? I need blood right now. That's something for Leatherface. Shut up, chicken! Okay. Open. Oh! Where the fuck am I? Somewhere, which I don't know, actually. Yeah. Oh, hello!
Oh,
No, the other killer. I really don't know. I thought I heard something. Oh, it's Grandpa! Holy shit. Hello. Yoo-hoo, little children! Come out wherever you are! I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. God, finding the children! God, finding the children is really a pain in the ass. And especially if someone, is just, fooling around, like, really. Okay. Huh? Turn power? Oh, thank you. Thank you, good sir. I really don't know what's going on. Oh, escaped? You've got to be kidding me. What the fuck is he doing? Is that the GIF? Is that the GIF you sent me?
No, wait, what?
What you did? Like from yesterday? Or... Wait, let me
Oh
check.
yeah, the Halloween thing. The Halloween thing.
Yeah, that. Was it that what you sent me? Like,
Yes.
oh my god. Oh, that was that. Oh. Oh well, I didn't got any kills, but it's alright. It's alright. Next match. Okay, this is really gonna be fun. Like, I really don't know how many matches I will do, like, for today. Like, maybe 3 or 4? I really don't know. 3 or 4? That's actually a good question to myself. How long am I gonna play this game? Like, really? Like, like being like, how long should I play this? Oh, fuck. Am I a killer again? Fuck. No. I don't want to play as a killer. I hate that. I don't want to play as a killer. Is that so much to ask? This victim. That's actually all what I want right now. I want to play as the victim this time. Not as the family. I want to scream. That's all what I want. Is that so much to ask a game that I want to scream like for my life? I really don't know how to feel about myself right now. But it's fine, I think. I think it's fine, so... So let's hope if not anything stupid will happen. Like, really. Da 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 da, load faster, game. Yes! Okay, let me see. Let me see. Who should I go as? Are those the only 2 options I have? Damn. Okay, then I'm ready. I guess. I really don't know. This is gonna be my nightmare. Well, come on, who's gonna be the other phase? Or 2? 2 matches? I think. Well, the nightmare will begin eventually. We need 3 more players. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ba 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 da 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 da. Da 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 da. Come on, game, load faster, please. We wanna start. Okay, someone has a letter face, which is a good thing, I think. I hope. So please don't fuck with me. Wow, I hope it doesn't fuck with me. Oh, we have another survivor? Okay. Are we all level 0? Are we really not experienced in this? Oh no, someone is level 16, never mind. Ah, okay. So what? So someone is level 16, which is good. I hope. I hope at least. Come on, we have one more room. Come on, join, peeps, join. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. No, god damn it. Are we really serious? I think we are serious right now. We are serious, aren't we? Like, come on. Holy shit, someone from... Okay, there we go. Okay, I think this will be the final round, I think. Before my heart is gonna turn out not to be great. At least, yeah. I mean, yeah. I totally know this not gonna be well for me. There's no way. There's no way denying it for me. Like, of course not. There's not a... Okay, that's gonna be weird. This is not gonna be so good for me. Like, really, I think this is not gonna be good for me. Like, seriously. Help me? Help me, I think I'm gonna die immediately. Like, really? I think... I have strong feelings that this is not gonna be very good for me. Like, first time playing the game. It's gonna be terror. Like real terror. Stay quiet and hidden? Find useful items. Okay, okay. Unlock exits.
Yeah.
And escape the family. Oh god! Okay, I'm hanging. Oh god, this is beautiful. Okay. Oh, do I need to do this every time? Hello?
Oh god. Where am I? What is this place?
Okay.
What the hell's going on? Oh god. Oh god.
I'm pretty scared. Wait, isn't this... No! Get away, get away, get away! Hello?
What?
I really don't know what's going on right now. I really don't know. I really don't know. Is this an ally of mine? Oh god.
What do I do with this?
Hide, hide, hide!
I should
wait.
see what that is.
Can I find? Shit!
Yes. Please fit in that lock.
Okay,
Please.
okay, okay. Hello?
I wonder where this goes.
Can I go here under? Oh. I really don't know.
This might stop the bleeding.
No, 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 don't come to me. Ah! Okay, kill me. Kill me, kill me, kill me, kill me. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And definitely, this is not my first ever good game. Actually, I died. I died. I'm not gonna lie. I died, literally. I really don't know what the fuck I did, but okay. That's why I found it better to play with someone I know. He knows, maybe. Like, that was the shit. Okay, yeah, it's gonna die. Yeah, it's gonna die, that's... Yeah, he's gonna die. Or not. Holy shit. I didn't know. Okay, I really didn't know actually. Holy shit. And even the noises! I think this will be my final match before I'm gonna die for real. I think. Oh, someone is also executed. Okay.
This shit hurts.
I know it hurt. I truly feel the pain. Oh no, someone disconnected. That was it. That was why. Oh, okay. Let's get for the basement. Oh, so someone escaped. Okay. I didn't know.
Where is everybody?
Your fellow buddies are dead, dude. That's the truth. The truth must be hurting. Okay, he's gonna die, I think. I have a feeling this will be bad. Holy shit. Yep, knew it. Frankly, someone did escape. Holy shit. This lady is a psychopath? Oh, lost victim. Oh! Oh, so we are into Doom. Okay. I really don't know. I didn't know. Okay. What is this person doing? I really don't know what's going on. Oh, is this for the board or something? Okay, that's not gonna be good. I think she's gonna die. Knew it. Health is low. Yep, we are doomed. Is this a victory ghost? What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay, it's totally worked for next time. If your brother allows it. Oh wait, I should have. No, channel. Okay, so I better say this. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I know it's quick than usual, but okay. It's just a first experience of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Don't worry about it. There will be
So
again soon.
fun.
I mean, like, if your brother allows you to play on the Xbox, then sure we can continue with Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So totally. Then you can hear me screaming all over the place. I mean, here's the thing. Normally I don't scream that often, but with this is really different. Really different. So, yeah, what I want to say is, like and subscribe like always. Share this video with a friend. Join our Discord server if you haven't, and follow all my social medias. Do you want to add anything else, King?
Thank you for watching her scare herself.
Oh, sure.